Can I ask you something?
Of course, David. What is it?
How did you learn English so well?
It was a long journey.
Were you always good at English?
No, not at all.
Really? That surprises me.
When I started, I knew only a few words.
What made you want to learn English?
I wanted to travel and meet people.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, but learning was difficult at first.
What was the hardest part?
Understanding native speakers.
I have the same problem.
Don't worry, it gets easier with practice.
Did you study every day?
Yes, even just a little.
Consistency is important, right?
Exactly.
Did you enjoy learning?
Yes, because I saw progress.
That motivates me.
Good. Motivation is the first step.
Tell me about your first English class.
I remember it very well.
Were you nervous?
Very nervous.
Why were you nervous?
Because I didn't understand much.
Did the teacher help you?
Yes, she was very patient.
What did you learn first?
Basic greetings.
Like hello and how are you?
Exactly.
That seems simple.
It is simple but very useful.
Did you practice speaking?
Yes, every day.
Speaking helps a lot.
Yes, practice makes progress.
Did you make mistakes?
Many mistakes.
Were you embarrassed?
At first, yes.
But mistakes help us learn.
Exactly. They are part of the process.
Did you only learn English in class?
No, I used many methods.
What methods?
Movies and music.
Movies help with English?
Yes, they help with listening.
Did you watch with subtitles?
Yes, at the beginning.
That sounds helpful.
It really improved my understanding.
What about music?
I listened to English songs.
Did you learn new words?
Many new words.
Did you sing along?
Yes, it helped my pronunciation.
That sounds fun.
Learning should be fun.
I should try that.
You definitely should.
Maybe my English will improve faster.
I'm sure it will.
When did you start speaking with native speakers?
After about 1 year.
Were you confident?
Not really.
What helped you speak more?
Practice and courage.
Courage?
Yes, I had to be brave.
Were people patient with you?
Most people were very kind.
That is encouraging.
Yes, it helped my confidence.
Did you learn faster then?
Much faster.
Real conversations are powerful.
Exactly.
Did you practice every day?
Whenever I had the chance.
That's a great habit.
It really helped my fluency.
Anna, when did you realize you could speak English well?
I remember that moment clearly.
What happened?
I had a long conversation with a tourist.
Were you nervous?
At first, yes.
Did the conversation go well?
Surprisingly well.
Did you understand everything?
Almost everything.
That must have felt amazing.
It did.
Did your confidence grow?
Very much.
That is inspiring.
It showed me my progress.
That moment must be unforgettable.
It really is.
I hope I have that moment too.
You will, if you keep practicing.
Anna, what advice do you give to English learners?
First, practice every day.
Even if it's only a few minutes?
Yes, consistency matters.
What else is important?
Listening and speaking.
Should learners watch English videos?
Absolutely.
What about reading?
Reading is also very helpful.
Is grammar important?
Yes, but communication is more important.
That makes sense.
Focus on understanding and speaking.
Should learners be afraid of mistakes?
Never.
Why not?
Because mistakes help you learn.
That is encouraging advice.
Learning English is a journey.
And everyone can succeed?
Yes, with
Anna, can I ask you another question about learning English?
Of course, David. I'm happy to help.
How did you learn so many English words?
I learned them little by little every day.
Did you memorize long vocabulary lists?
No, that was too difficult for me.
So what did you do instead?
I learned words in sentences and real situations.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, when I learned the word airport, I used it in a sentence.
Like, I am going to the airport?
Exactly. That helped me remember the word.
That sounds easier than memorizing lists.
Yes, because the brain remembers stories better.
Did you write the new words down?
Yes, I kept a small notebook.
What did you write in the notebook?
I wrote the word, the meaning, and an example sentence.
That's a great idea.
It helped me review words every day.
Did you use flashcards too?
Yes, sometimes.
Were flashcards helpful?
Very helpful, especially for difficult words.
How many new words did you learn each day?
Usually 5 to 10 words.
That doesn't sound like a lot.
But after 1 year, it becomes thousands of words.
Wow, I never thought about it that way.
Small steps make big progress.
Did you practice speaking those words too?
Yes, speaking helped me remember them better.
I think I will start doing that.
That's a great decision.
Learning vocabulary feels easier now.
Good. Learning English should feel possible.
Anna, I understand reading English, but listening is still hard for me.
Many learners feel the same way.
Why is listening so difficult?
Because native speakers talk very fast.
Yes, sometimes I cannot catch the words.
That used to happen to me too.
So, how did you improve your listening?
I listened to English every single day.
What did you listen to?
Podcasts, YouTube videos, and simple conversations.
Did you understand everything at first?
Not at all.
Didn't that frustrate you?
A little, but I didn't give up.
What helped you improve?
Repeating the audio many times.
You listened to the same audio again?
Yes, sometimes 3 or 4 times.
That sounds like a good technique.
It really helped my ears get used to English sounds.
Did you use subtitles?
Yes, subtitles helped me connect the words and the sounds.
So you listened and read at the same time.
Exactly.
Did your listening improve quickly?
Slowly at first, then much faster.
That is encouraging.
Listening is like training a muscle.
The more you practice, the stronger it becomes.
Exactly right.
I think I need to listen more English every day.
Even 10 minutes a day can help.
That sounds manageable.
Small daily practice creates big improvement.
Thank you for your advice, Anna.
You're welcome, Davy. Keep practicing and you will succeed.